Today we are creating a simple and realistic social media post in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, create a solid color fill layer for a background, and choose a very dark brown color. Next, create a rectangle above the product. Then create a new empty layer. And clip it to the rectangle. Now pick the brush tool and pick a bright color from the product, by holding Alt key, and brush in the empty layer. Now pick a dark color from the product, and do the same. Now pick Ellipse tool, and create an oval shape. And fill white. Duplicate layer. Now, with pen tool, make a shape to cover both ovals. For detailings, try blending options like drop shadow and inner shadow. If you are new to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. For below cylindrical shape, create rectangle and oval, the same way I did for the above shape. Then select both layers, and merge using Ctrl+E. Now create new empty layer, and do the same process. It's not looking nice or realistic, so we need to add a realistic background. For that, go to Pinterest and search shadow background. Choose any background you like, and copy it to your artboard. I like this one. Now change the blending mode to color dodge, and opacity to 40%. Now use some adjustment layers to give it a realistic look. After that, duplicate the shadow layer and clip it to the product layer. Now create a new brightness and contrast layer above the background layer, and increase the brightness. On Layer Mask, press Ctrl+I to invert the effect and brush it behind the product. Now do the same, but this time, decrease the brightness, and invert, then brush in the corners. Create new curve layer and adjust as you like. Then create new empty layer. Make a shape and fill with white. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, Radius to 15% and hit OK. And change blending mode to Overlay. We need to give the final touch to the design. Now select the top layer and press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E, which merge down all the layers and create a single new layer. Go to the camera raw filter and make some adjustments as you like. Rate this design on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments and share it with your designer friends. And that's how you can create a realistic and photography-like social media post within 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.